Welcome to the era of video creation made easy with HeyGen. My name is Eva, created with the HeyGen software by Ahmad. HeyGen provides an array of options for sharing videos with your friends or to the public. You can easily post your videos on social media or embed them directly into your website. Try out HeyGen today and experience the convenience of creating AI videos. It's free and easy to use. You can choose from a variety of avatars and templates to match your profession or needs. To get started, simply sign up or log in with your Google account. After logging in, you will receive 1 minute of free access to make an AI video. HeyGen also enables you to customize your video by adjusting the settings. You can adjust the speed, add subtitles, and even add sound effects. Plus, the home page provides 4 options to choose from: URL to video, your projects, start with an avatar, and start with a template. Creating projects with ease is an effortless task with our site. There are a variety of templates for you to choose from, such as news studios, marketing products, and more. You can also add your own avatar or select from our wide selection of avatars. Adding text to your project is just as simple. With our text feature, you can easily add titles, subtitles, paragraphs, and body. You can also take advantage of our various elements such as frames, stickers, icons, and images to make your project even more unique. Finally, you can use the asset feature to record your screen and upload various media including images, videos, and music. Start creating today, because if you will not change with the trend will change you. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a like and comment. Also share this video and subscribe to this channel, Modern Phenomena. Have a nice day. Good.
Bye.